Only a woman who is completely clueless would agree to a friends with benefits arrangement. Smart women know this is a losing deal, a scam invented by cheap men. Today, I'm going to expose the truth, the real motives behind those who promote FWB, how this concept exploits women, and most importantly, how women with a high sex drive can actually use sex as a bargaining chip to create wealth for themselves. Hi, I'm Isabella. If you are the friend in a friends with benefits situation, ask yourself honestly, do you truly have no feelings for this man at all? Or are you just using FWB as an excuse to stay close to him? Women are not like men. A normal woman cannot casually sleep with a man she has zero emotional connection with. Men, on the other hand, are wired differently. Biologically, they are more prone to thinking with their lower half and acting on impulse. This is why the vast majority of sexual assault and harassment cases are committed by men. But here's something even more telling. Men know that sexual satisfaction comes at a cost. They willingly pay for prostitutes and adult content because they understand that fulfilling their desires isn't free. So, if men are fully aware that sex has a price, what exactly is an FWB arrangement? It's nothing but a way for them to get sex for free. It's a scam, and you're the one being played. Think about it. If he truly sees you as a friend, would he selfishly use your body for his own pleasure? If you take away the benefit part, would he still want to be your friend? And be honest, do you really just want to be his friend? And let's talk about the worst case scenario. What if you get pregnant? The consequences fall entirely on you. He is not your boyfriend, let alone your husband. He can walk away without a second thought, while you are left dealing with the aftermath. If you choose abortion, your uterus and body suffer irreversible damage. If you decide to give birth, the sacrifices multiply. First, your body changes permanently. Second, childbirth is painful and even life-threatening. Third, raising a child is a massive financial burden. And fourth, you carry the responsibility of raising and educating this child alone. The men who propose FWB are selfish. They want to satisfy their needs without taking any responsibility. These men are so cheap that they won't even spend a few $100s on a prostitute. Instead, they use your feelings against you to get what they want for free. Only a naive woman would believe that giving her body to a man will make him stay and eventually fall in love. Wake up. People do not value things that come for free. No matter how amazing the sex is, it will never turn an FWB situation into a real relationship. Let me be blunt. From the very beginning, a man categorizes you as either a serious relationship prospect or just someone to have fun with. If he truly wants a relationship with you, he would never start with sex. And the moment he meets a woman he actually likes, he will cut you off without hesitation. By then, you'll only be left with regret, hating yourself for being so cheap. There are two types of women who engage in FWB. 1. Women who secretly have feelings for the man. 2. Women with high sex drives who don't care about emotional connection. If you're the first type, listen to me. Stop sleeping with him. Your goal should be to become the kind of woman he actually wants to date. What makes a man want a serious relationship? When he sees a woman as so valuable that dating her feels like a privilege. You must increase your value in every way possible. First, upgrade your appearance. Learn how to dress, do your makeup, and style yourself so that people are instantly drawn to you. Second, develop your inner beauty. Improve your emotional intelligence. Learn to manage your emotions and carry yourself with calm confidence. Speak with poise, control your tone and volume, and exude warmth through your smile. Third, elevate your financial status and expand your social network. Stay positive, learn how to make yourself happy, and keep striving for self-improvement. When you radiate confidence and success, you will attract high-quality men effortlessly. And here's something crucial. If the man you used to have an FWB arrangement with comes crawling back, do not make the same mistake again. Never give in easily. Men only cherish women they have to work for. The more challenging and unattainable you are, the more he will believe you are the one. You must guide him to invest in you emotionally, financially, and with his time, step by step. When he gives a little, reward him a little. When he gives more, reward him more. Now, let's talk about the second type of woman, the one who simply wants to satisfy her sexual needs. I'm going to be brutally honest. If you are sleeping around just for pleasure, your standards are embarrassingly low. You're no different from an animal acting on instinct. If you are already willing to use sex without any emotional attachment, then why not leverage it to your advantage? Instead of wasting it on random men who give you nothing in return, use it to secure a better life. For example, seduce a wealthy man and become his mistress, ensuring a luxurious, stress-free lifestyle. Or sleep with a car dealership owner and have him gift you a luxury car. If your goal is just to satisfy your urges, at least get something valuable out of it. Now, what should you do if you've been stuck in an FWB situation for a while? If you are the second type, only in it for the sex, then evaluate whether your current FWB partner has any real value. If he does not benefit your life in any way, cut him off immediately and find a man who does. Stop letting lust turn you into a free sex object. Sex is a woman's most powerful bargaining tool. Use it wisely and men will give you a lot in return. If you're the first type, you have feelings for him. Your only hope is to disappear from his life and come back as a completely transformed woman. Men crave mystery and novelty. You've already lost both. The only way to regain value is to make him curious about the new you. That's why you must go through a transformation. Become so radiant and confident that when he sees you again, he feels the urge to chase you. And when he does, do not sleep with him easily. Remember, a man will only cherish a woman who makes him work for her. The more effort he puts in, the more he values you. Your job is to guide him into investing in you until he willingly asks you to be his girlfriend. If you feel lost in your relationships and need Isabella's free guidance, check the description box for my email. If you want to truly understand men and master the art of dating, sign up for Isabella's SMART program. You'll find the course details at the end of this video and in the description box. Now, let's summarize today's key takeaways. 1. Friends with benefits is just a way for men to exploit women for free sex. Smart women never fall for it. Men are already willing to pay for sex, why would you give it away for free? 2. If a man truly likes you, he won't start with sex. A man never values what comes too easily. 3. If you're stuck in an FWB situation and you like him, stop sleeping with him and focus on becoming a high-value woman. 4. If you only care about sex, at least choose partners who can elevate your lifestyle. Don't be a cheap option. 5. Sex is a woman's most powerful bargaining tool. Use it wisely, and men will go to great lengths for you. The people who promote FWB talk about sexual liberation and equal desires, but in reality, they just want to take advantage of women. Isabella hopes this video has helped you see the truth. Be a smart and self-respecting woman. See you in the next episode. Are you still getting hurt over and over in love? Do men never seem fully invested in you? Do you find yourself exhausted from giving too much? Do you really think it's a coincidence you're hearing about Isabella's program today? Absolutely not. This is fate stepping in, giving you a chance to rewrite your story. Isabella's SMART program isn't about teaching you how to please men. It's about teaching you how to master them, how to make them invest, get addicted, and happily devote themselves to you for life. You'll learn how to spot trustworthy men, guide them to give more, and use powerful psychological strategies that deepen their love for you. Remember, the game of love has rules. Those who know the rules win. Those who don't, they lose, again and again. Most people never get a second chance to turn their love life around. Don't waste yours. Click the link in the description now, and let Isabella show you how to turn the tables and win in love.